Intonation Workshop. Cristiano Ronaldo, the greatest goal scorer in football history. How did he manage to score over 800 goals in official matches? His power, precision, and determination make every shot a masterpiece. From Manchester to Madrid, from Turin to Riyadh, he has proven that consistency is the key to greatness. Who else could keep such a high level for more than 2 decades? Ronaldo named issues with glory, passion, and an endless hunger for goals. But is it only talent or something deeper? When you watch him celebrated, you feel the energy rise. Shoo! His only are not just number, they are moments of story, emotion, and legacy. Many players dream his record, but few even come close. Can anyone ever surpass Cristiano Ronaldo goals total? He is not just a player, he is a legend who turned scoring into an art. Thank you, teacher. See you next activity.